Hey, what is up, people? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can get started with affiliate marketing for free. The only requirements are that you need to have a laptop with a webcam and an internet connection. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure that you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be giving you all the steps which you need to perform to get started with affiliate marketing. And if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a profitable business online. So in order to get started with affiliate marketing for absolutely free, the technique which I'm going to tell you about is called launch jacking. So what exactly is launch jacking? There are different internet marketing products which are being released every day. And the idea here is that you need to cover those launches. You need to create a review video of those launches of those products and post it on YouTube and rank them through proper keyword research. And how you're going to make money out of those videos? You are going to put your affiliate links for that particular product in the description of the video. So that is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing if you are on a tight budget or if you don't have any money. So let me show you how you can do it. So the very first thing which you have to do, you need to go to a website called muncheye.com. So muncheye.com is a website where you are going to get the calendar for all the upcoming launches for different internet marketing products. So as you can see here, so these are the different products which are going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks or the next couple of months. So these are all the big launches from the big guys who are launching different products, very frequently. And on the right side are all the launches. What you need to do, you need to pick up one product from here, which is going to be launched, in the near future. So it depends on you. We want to promote a product which is going to launch tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I would recommend you to pick up a product which is going to launch a week from now. That will give you ample time to do your research and to create a video and publish it on YouTube. So let's say you want to pick up one product. Let's say this one, Software Trinity. So we need to click on this here. Okay, this may not be the right product because there is no JV page. Just for this demo purpose, I'm gonna pick up this one, Commission Funnels. So when you click on this page, you will see all the details about that particular launch, when the product is going live, what the product is all about, and you're also going to get the link to the JV page, which is the joint venture page, where the product owners, they give you all the necessary tools, the videos, the email swipes, the sales page, previews. So basically this is the page for the affiliates who are willing to promote that particular product. So you will get an idea about the product from here. You will get the pricing of it, when the product is going to be launched. So from here, what you need to do, you need to get your affiliate link to promote the product, so that if someone going to buy that product from your link, you are going to get the commission for it. So just click on it, go to Warrior Plus, and from here you are going to get your link. You need to sign up first. So let me just sign into my account here. Okay, as you can see now, there's a button called Request Approval. So you need to click on this, and over here you are going to write a note as to who are you, why you are going to promote this product, how you're going to promote this product. I have done a video in past on my channel where I showed you how to get guaranteed approvals to promote different products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So I'll give you a link to this video in the description down below, and it will be up here in the cards as well. So just go through the video. There's a format which I've given you in that video. You need to use that format, paste it over here, and get the approval to promote the product. So once you have got the approval to promote a product, you can also reach out to the vendor and ask for a review copy of the product. Well, it may be tricky at one point if you do not have any results, any prior results to show to the vendor. They may not offer you a review copy. But anyways, you can just contact the vendor and ask for a review copy. Tell them that you're going to make a review video of their product. You're going to tell the features and basically that show them that how you are going to promote a product. The best way to do this is to just quickly record a video on your phone telling them that, hey, this is Saurabh and I really like this product and I would like to promote it. Could you please give me a review copy? And I'm going to do a review video on YouTube. I'm going to post it on my Facebook. I'm going to promote it on Twitter, Instagram, and all the good stuff. So you can do a video as well and send the video to the vendor. Well, I'll say 60 to 70% of time, you will get the approval as well. And you will also get a review copy of the particular product. So let's say you do not get a review copy, then how you are going to make a review video. So what you can do, you can just go to the sales page of the product. This one, there is no sales page. Let's see. So basically this is the sales page of the product. And now what you can do is just go through the sales page, understand what the product is all about. You can also watch other people videos on YouTube about this particular product, which they may have done reviews. Just understand the product, get the features, and now you will be ready to record your video. So for that, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go on to YouTube, create a free account. It's totally free to create an account on YouTube. And I hope everyone knows how to create an account on YouTube. And once you have got an account on YouTube, what you need to do, you can just download one software to record the screen. So the idea is, like the way I'm doing right now, you are seeing my face as well as you are seeing the screen. So that is what you have to do. To record the screen, there is a software called Screencast-O-Matic. You can download this free software. I'll give you a link to this software in the description down below. It is totally free to download. There is a paid version as well that will give you more minutes to record, but in order to get started, the free version is more than enough for you. So just download this software on your computer and you will be able to record your screen as well as the video. I'm also using Screencast-O-Matic to record this particular video. Then record the video, show them the sales page, tell them the benefits about the product. As I told you, you can also watch other people's videos to get some idea about the product, talk about the product, and ask the people to click on your link in the description to buy this product. The idea here is you need to record the video and post this as soon as possible so that it ranks higher on YouTube. So how it can be done, you need to use the proper keywords in your video. So let's say this particular product is commission funnels. So what you can do is you can type on YouTube commission funnels review, and you will see if any more people have done the review for that. So yes, there are, as you can see, the people have already done the review. So the idea is that your title should contain the name of the product as well as the word review, and you need to write the description about it. So the sooner you put the video on YouTube, the sooner it's going to rank properly if you use the right keywords. But as you can see, this product is already launched, or it's going to be launched. So that is why there are so many affiliates who are already promoting this particular product, and there are videos all over here. You need to beat these people and get your videos ranked on top, so that if someone types commission funnels review, your video comes up on the top and they're gonna watch your video and purchase it through your link. If you don't want to show your face on the video, you can just record the screen showing the sales page of the video. And there is one more way with which you can record the videos. Go to a website called wave.video, and from here you can get many templates which you can use in your video. There are different templates which you can use, and you can just record your voice on top of those templates. So depending on the product you're promoting, you will get many templates and stock footages which you can use in the video. So that is also one way to record your video. So I'll give you a link to wave.video as well in the description down below. If you want, you can check it out as well. So guys, that is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing for free through Launchjacking. And I've given you the complete blueprint as to how you can get started. And if you need any additional information, if you need any additional help, just reach out to me, just drop me an email, contact me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. All the links are in the description down below, and I will personally help you out. And I'm not going to ask you for any money for any help which you may be looking for. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are serious about affiliate marketing, there's a free course in the description down below which you can check it out. I highly recommend you to go through this course. Again, it is totally free, and that will teach you all the ins and outs and all the details about affiliate marketing. So guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.